glad you made it out tonight. We've been waiting for this moment for a long time. So we'll get on stage, grab the mic and make the most of tonight. 'Cause this is all we've ever had.
Good afternoon. We are upstairs. Why are we upstairs? I made us a little template for our tubs. So the plan is to at least get started on the tubs this evening. I've only got about an hour left, but my idea with the tub, make this lovely template. She slinks over our 50mm box section and goes back down to the original floor on the front and the back. Now, I've actually cut these out in 1.6mm steel for the sides, but we're going to use this template now to make the sheet metal over the top. Now, if I was making this out of wood in my day job, the way I would do it is put this template in, measure to our widest point, which is 300mm, which I have done, and then I've cut a 300mm sheet that's going to go over the top. So what I'm going to do now is drill some circular holes. All holes are circular. I'm going to drill some big holes all the way around this template so we can then bend our sheet metal over it, and using those holes we can clamp it into a perfect semicircle. And then we're going to place it in there so the 300mm bit touches the nearest point, leaving a gap all the way around, and then you measure how wide the biggest gap is, make a bit of wood, any old thing as a scribe, and we're going to scribe our way all the way around, cut out metal. It's going to sit in there lovely, first go. Now that is the plan. It's probably not going to go like that, but that is how I think I'm going to do it. It's the only way I think you can do it, but I've not watched any videos or even researched it. I'm just going to do this. So this bit fit lovely. The two bits of metal I cut out of 1.6, this shape, fit lovely, but flat things are a lot easier than curvy things. But anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's drill some holes in this, get back downstairs, and probably make a mess. Right, let's go. Get out! Anyway, we have a pencil. Bendy metal, clampy, scriby. All gonna work lovely. Don't keep a mess. Right, let's take this downstairs, clamp some metal to it, and see if it works. Or shall I bring the metal up here? Because I have a workbench. Ooh. I'm going to bring the metal up here. That'll be easy. Back in a moment. I've got a feeling this metal is not going to want to bend, and it's going to be a bit of a nightmare. Do you clamp in the middle first? How do you know? Oh, God, bloody bench. Oh, I don't know. Oh, you did very well. meltdown. Clamping. Fucking. That way. This is the way we do it. This is the way we're doing it. That's a nice way. Right. Rolly, rolly. Clampy, clampy. Something's happening. Right. We need to clamp that bottom bit for the sake of this exercise. Go on. Oh. This is very much a two-man job. Just realised that is a bad angle. You cannot see what the hell is going on. Oh, hello. Am I just going to see my back? No, that'll be fine. Right. Oh my god, this is fucking filthy. Armpit. Get the armpit involved. Yes. Find it. Ah, slamming me. Bend yourself. You can just see my back. Oh, this is complicated. It's kind of working. A little bit. Oh, that really hurt. Oh, I need some more limbs. Yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, I'm going to turn it over. Hopefully it's not going to ping everywhere. I'm a genius. I am a genius. Kind of looks alright. You can see that. Don't know if I should leave it clamped overnight. How do I check the... I'll go get one of the ones I cut out of metal. I'm going to bring that upstairs. Then I'll know if this radius is the same as that one. Oh, we're working it together. Proper Blue Peter spec. Here's one I made earlier. Oh, no. There's nothing like it. What do I do? No! No! Why? If I clamp it this side, tack weld the metal one on the other side, working my way around, I'll then be able to remove this ply one. Let's do that. Right, let's go downstairs. Right, let's weld that one round the other side, and hopefully we haven't properly messed this up. Let's have a go. How do you want to play this? What do you want to do? Shit on it. Right there. Stay there. Right, welding. Oh, things are happening. Can you see that? Now what do we do? Ah, that was it. Slide that round. Quick. Well, I guess it's doing something. Hey, that worked. Oh.
Suburban, born and raised, I met the boys at an early age. Riding bikes at night through Riverside.
Nope, I'm going home. I've had enough. I can't be bothered. The battery's about to run out. I've run out of all paddle discs, but they are at home from Amazon. I'm going home. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will probably be just like now. I don't know if you can hear the rain on this, but the weather is stinking. It's rubbish. And I'm mountain biking home, so that's going to be fun. Anyway, the tub is in. No. The tub is sand. No. I've ground the welds down on the tub and just put it in place. So I'm going to explain what I'm going to do. I'm not telling you if it's right or wrong, but it's how I'm going to go about it. So let me show you what I'm going to do now. Oh, God. Right. Ugh. So we have our tub clamped in place there, back against this beam here, which is that beam. So this distance here is how much we need to move in, which is about what we've got to scribe around this. You can see how detailed it is. It's going to be a nightmare. So what I'm going to do now is, if we go around this way, and the space from back here to here, measure that, cut a block that length, and then use that to scribe our way around the top, that should then allow this to come out that much. Win-win. Should work. That's how we do it with woodwork. Same old thing, innit? I mean, I'm not often scribing around semicircular items in confined spaces. It'll be fine. Tub looks good. It's absolutely massive. She's a whopper. Look at that. Right, let's do that. See if it works. Yeah. Let's do that and see if it works. 75mm. Now I'm going to go cut a bit of wood at 75mm. Round. Cut it out. It's going to shrink in. We're going to weld it in. It's going to be really easy. I mean, oh my God, we can all do this. Like, this is awesome. Yes. I'm trying not to rush and to just take my time and enjoy the process of doing it. Because this may be the only time I do this during a vehicle this far back. But also, I do want to see it done. But then after these tubs, which is working with nice new metal, I've got to do these little silly bits, which is, by silly I mean sills, not silly as in stupid, bits. And that's crap, welding rusty stuff. So yeah, enjoy it while you can. The dog's throwing the ball off the stairs and then running back up to get it. She is a moron. God, you boy! Oh, leave him then. Leave it. Oh, she's in. Have a look. There she is. All welded in nicely, all the way along. And then down as far as I could go here, and then I've welded it all from underneath there. There's a little gap at the back here, so I'm going to make a panel for there now, make that look nice and smooth, and fix this bit of floor that's all dented. So I'm going to do that now and then move on to the other side. Obviously it's the same as doing this side, so I'm not going to put you through another time lapse of that. So probably use a little bit of YouTube magic and get this done, and then hopefully we can start moving forward on the van and making our way to those front tubs. Right, let me get this done.
funny to film that.
A little bit of context, Graham needs the subframe off our field car to have powder coated for his road car. That's what we did with the rear. We've been waiting to do the front. It's easier just to roll it over with a tractor. So if any of you do have an MX-5 at home and you want to change your front subframe, roll it over on its roof.
Take the windscreen off first though.
Yeah, with a recip saw. And then yeah, so yes. Oh, that's really bad. Right. Oh, I need to put gloves. Gloves are probably a good idea. I don't know in which video this is gonna be in, but me and Graham have decided, because we've got to wait, because we've had the welding, we've got to set the place on fire. We're going to take my windscreen out. We are professional bodywork guys now. Apparently, this is part of that.
Take it through, twist it round. I like that bit.
You do that bit. And this is just like, imagine you just do this.
Yeah.
I think you go from the inside, surely. I say surely, not going no.
Somewhere, I'm going to find a weak spot.
I don't think you are.
Yeah, that's it, but from the outside, right there.
You're the weak spot. Oh, maybe. Oh.
That has been welded in, mate. There's no...
Don't you just like poke it out?
Yeah.
I can see the
Whoa.
Oh. No, you're going a different direction, but...
Oh, hang on. Hold the phone, Terry.
It's just not my...
Ow, shit happened then.
My bike over. Oh, God.
Oh,
Graham!
She's already broken. I didn't break it.
Graham!
I still think my plan was the best. Just stand inside it with both your feet on it.
Really matter anymore. It's not us. It can't be us.
It's definitely not me. Might have been you. Oh, hello.
My eye!
Shards.
So you put the shards. So I'm better at this than you. You should have been on the camera.
If you can get this thing in anywhere, I will do something.
Hello. Oh, that sounds rusty.
Oh,
Windows around. Right, window out. I'm nearly through. I've hit something.
I can see it.
Bend it up with
You deflect.
deflection.
The shards are in my eyes.
Oh.
Right.
We got it.
So easy.
So easy. Oh. We'll have this in and out in an afternoon.
I'm so glad that you broke it as well, though. It makes me feel a little bit better.
There's your angle. Oh, we got this.
I mean,
Just
we haven't.
a swift, like, yank.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm still holding on to the whole thing here.
What's it like?
Probably easier to go right because there's many shards.
That's it. Let's go.
Oh, it's on fire!
Fire.
That's you taking the lead.
Why have we made it so fucking long?
I did mention it. What's it?
Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Now what do we do?
Oh!
Hold on. You're a hot.
Hang on.
Get Linda. Hold on.
Oh!
Cutting through the roof. Hold on. There we go.
Hang on, let me move.
Oh yeah.
We might have got a bit carried away there.
We've overcooked her. It's easier when it's short like this.
Definitely easier to have this short. Almost.
Almost.
Aha.
Success.
Nothing. Right, straight to the skip or what?
To the skip. Oh, it's a proper project now.
No windscreen, mate. No windscreen.
Don't know what video this is going to be clipped into, but we'll clip it in somewhere. I don't know what to say.
Oh.
It is old, and I was getting a new windscreen anyway. But just pay someone.
Don't try it yourself.
What was it? Al Goo, innit? Al Goo's window removals. That's the man that will sort it, rather than don't call us.
No.
No, we're gonna put the new one in.
Yes.
Yeah. Back to the video. Oh, right, that is the other one. Oh, I'm zooming in. I'm zooming into my face. No other way. That's the other one welded in. Let me show you what I've done. So there's still a little bit of welding to do underneath. There's like a little panel that goes down to the sill, and I haven't done the back bit. But that one, so this side, I've etch primed it. That's drying. Stop it rusting. Got a bit echoey in here now. And I just put a little panel around the back there. And then I need to sort all that out. But that is it. Welded in. So I'll clean all these up tomorrow. Clean all that up and etch prime all the inside. And then yeah, we're getting through it slowly. So tomorrow night, going to be finish that one. Get that one 100% done. Same as this side. Then I can cut the floor for this back bit, I suppose, and maybe put the bit, because I would like to put a spare wheel in where I'm stood, a little space saver. So get that in. Basically just keep working our way forward. So I might get onto these mid-sills tomorrow, I don't know. Yeah, that's a big job done. That is a big job ticked. So if you are at home, you do have a welder, you do have a grinder, and you want to tub your van, watch the video. You know what to do now. It's not overly complicated. It's a bit fiddly, but they're in. Sound pretty solid. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you do, like and subscribe and all the things the YouTubers say. And I'll see you in the next one, where we slowly work our way forward.